Hey, and welcome back. This is Frank with Simply Bananas down here in Charleston, South Carolina. I've had quite a few requests for an update video, and it's, I don't know, mid-November. I think it's like the 9th of November. Maybe it's the 8th. I can't remember exactly what day it is. Anyway, I wanted to give you an update before the frost comes. We've got a frost freeze warning coming in not the too distant future, so I'm gonna have to get that squared away, but in the meantime, let's take a look at how these bananas have done so far this year. So we're going to start off with the Raja Puris. They've attained their normal size. Of course, one of the reasons that I have not done a video is because there's really been nothing to update. You see, these bananas just never did produce. These of course are the Goldfingers right here. These are some of the Dwarf Cavendish. Even the Bordalons did not make any banana flowers or banana fruits. So there's just not a whole lot to report, although we do have beautiful foliage, but it remains to be seen how long it's going to last after the next cold front. So starting here with the Pisang Raja, beautiful foliage again, full-size banana plants. Here with the Orinoco's, the Unionensis right here. I can't recall what these are, but they seem to have struggled. Maybe they were the bell bananas. The ice creams kind of struggled. The ones on the house kind of struggled for some reason. I'm not exactly sure why. Now, as we go towards the backyard, one of the only bananas to actually make any flowers the entire year were these pink ladies. They're the ornamental bananas. I think they're all finished right now, which is a little bit surprising. We don't have one. Maybe let's go over here and see what we have. There, you can see what's left. Anyway, the hummingbirds enjoyed the flowers on these. Now, over here on the other side where the Basjoo is, I just want to show you what a Basjoo looks like after it's grown, and the flower's still hanging in there, as you can see, but the leaves are gone. You want to take a look at those bananas right there. Not much to them. Again, this is a true species, and it needs to have actually two plants that are flowering at the same time for the fruit to get fertilized and mature, unlike most other bananas. Let's go back here, take a look at these beautiful Sabas. So the Sabas, of course, are the biggest banana plants that I grow, and these did pretty well, although I would have to say they did not reach full size. But they're pretty close. They're pretty close. And again, no flowers and no fruit. Back over here to some of our volunteer banana plants. These are some Orinoco's. They're doing okay, but they're kind of shaded by this old pine tree right here. And back over here, again, some more volunteers. And they are just kind of hanging in here because they're shaded by a pecan tree and that big old pine tree way up there. Not much I can do about that. So as we wind down this 2025 banana season, let me know down in the comments how many bananas you got and what type of bananas you got where you live this season. So anyway, good luck with the cold weather coming in. I know there's an iguana falling warning down in Florida, an iguana falling warning. That's what happens when lizards live in trees and it's cold temperatures. They fall out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of 2025, and we will see you in 2026.